Hello everybody, it is me, AcePilot109, also known as Captain John, and in this video I'm going to be introducing you to a new project that you'll be seeing a lot more on the channel, and I'm going to try and make it into a new series. So some of you who already know, this is a 1973 Chevy Blazer, fully convertible as you can see from the top. This is a project truck that me and my dad are going to be working on, and he thought it would be a good idea to make a video series out of all the work that we do on it and post it online and share with y'all. Now what you're about to see is the footage of us rolling it off the truck that it came on from Arizona and us trying to get this thing started and just looking at what we've got. Could this explode?
Yeah, it could do anything.
February something?
February 26th.
February 26, 2022.
Saturday. Johnny's project, 3:15 p.m. How much are returns?
All the boys here to celebrate with champagne. Man,
everybody don't get behind this thing, whatever you do.
Why?
Get beside it. Does it brake? Does it feel good? How does it feel?
What?
Okay, put it on and let's push it and just make sure it doesn't move. Yeah, put the foot down.
Dude, Santa Claus is coming.
Okay. Is it in neutral? What are you in?
You have to go to neutral.
Move, boys, move. Move. You never know. About to get the big reveal. Let there be light.
Stop again. Body. So you move there. Go.
Right down. Just don't anybody get behind.
Right. Slowly. All right.
Okay. Let off the brake for sure.
Ain't no project. Oh, that was close to the wire.
Hold on.
You should put the grill on.
Does it have what?
Oh, the door works. Oh, wow. The door works.
It is quite surprising.
We can close trailer.
Camera.
We appreciate it.
It doesn't matter.
You will speak that.
Here.
And then there's mesh through there.
Yeah, we know. The rocker panel?
So, hey, John, how exactly does this work? Because I don't know if it's a truck or an SUV.
It's a truck.
Does it run?
This entire top comes off.
Yeah.
It's a convertible. Fully convertible. Got
What's
some
this?
boxes.
Oh, does it have?
And a grill is in the Chevy symbol.
Y'all are doing great. Keep up the work.
Get the gate opener.
Where?
We don't have one. It's okay. We're gonna leave it out here, Andrew. I was joking.
Will you keep going?
No, this is good.
Look at that bad boy. It's got 3 horsepower.
One on the front tire.
Jerry rigging the Blazer to start.
Does it have a horn?
I don't know. If you can find one, it might.
Yeah, this battery's the Ford battery, so it doesn't fit. I had to stretch the cables over here.
Here's 307, whatever. Vroom vroom engine. Don't touch the engine.
Well, something happened.
Could this explode?
Yeah, it could do anything. Johnny.
It can do whatever it wants.
All right, stop.
It'll blow up from that distance.
We may not be getting gas. So.
Yeah.
If you run over Dad, I'm gonna be
Good.
upset.
Go.
What is it? Am I? It exploded and there's fire. There's fire.
Blow it out.
Blow it out.
That's not working.
You gotta. You want the leather?
Spray all back there or what?
I didn't try to.
No, it looked like he did.
Is it supposed to be on fire?
I'm only worried about back there. Okay.
Looks like it's
Yeah, I think
relatively
it's good now.
contained. There's still a flame.
Well, it's in there though.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it. That's fine.
Got that on perfect video of it just exploding.
Oh, it won't bite, right? Okay.
Jesus.
Come on! Oh,
It did that one.
it's doing the hot rod thing. It backfired again. It's blowing gas.
Huh?
You see gas coming out?
Yeah,
No,
it looked like condensed.
Smells. I smell it.
Doing
Okay.
something.
We'll just push it up.
Oh, so I get to drive it?
After that, we all pushed the truck behind our house in the driveway, which is where you saw it in the intro, and we proceeded to take off the fenders and do some other small things like relining the door, stuff that I just didn't film because we were just doing it real quick. But I'll be trying to film more stuff that we do with the Blazer and make this a video series. If you're interested, please let me know. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you know, leave something in the comments. And make sure you like the video to help support the channel. I'm still going to be doing airplane stuff and other projects. It's just going to be a side thing that hopefully I can do like a monthly Blazer update kind of thing. Not really sure. We'll see. Thanks everybody, and I hope you enjoyed the video.